Hi guys, VST here, welcome back on my channel guys. This time we're gonna make a video about the new update for the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2. And without any further ado, I'm just gonna go here into my Galaxy wearable and just show you guys what are the new things. Improved Samsung Health function. You can now enjoy a group walking challenge with your friends, which sounds very healthy by the way. Additional sleep score insight provided. Reduced auto workout recognition time for running, a rowing machine, elliptical. Enjoy home workout with a variety of fitness programs. Smarthings Find, that's interesting. You can find the location of the watch on the map. Hand wash. Alright, I think COVID times related. Hand wash, why not? After downloading the hand wash app, your watch can automatically detect in time when you start washing your hands. Improved system stability and reliability. I'm gonna hit the install button right now. So what follows right now is updated watch software. Now my watch is gonna get disconnected and the update soon enough installed on my watch. When that happens guys, we're gonna be returning with the latest firmware so we are able to see all the new changes. You can see already that my watch is being updated. I'm very keen to see this hand wash thing, really, why not? It's interesting why someone would kind of like need an app to kind of like wash your hands, but I think in the end of the day, why not? Samsung Active 2 and basically guys, all the Samsung watches are pretty much secure, and I just know this from all my painful attempts to do anything here on the software. And every time I had to reset, let's say, the software or clear the cache and the storage, I had also to reset my watch and then reconnect it again. And the only and sole reason for that is that here you have your phone book synchronized. So all your contacts guys from the phone are synchronized here to your watch. Samsung Pay information, so this is confidential, sensitive information, and this is pretty much like a mini version of your smartphone. But enough talking, let's return when we have the new software installed and let's test it. So right now we get the software update guys installed, and I'm gonna take the phone in my hand. I'm gonna start again the Galaxy wearable. I'm gonna go to home. I'm gonna go here to watch software update, download and install to just make sure that there are no additional updates. Of course there will not be. The current version now is R820XXU1DUA3. Alright, so this is the watch firmware. And the first thing we can see here is Smart Find. You can press get started. Now I'm using this here on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Not sure if it's gonna be the same guys if you're using it on another Android phone, but anyway, just let's test it. You know, I've been speaking about my home in one of my other videos, and I think it's the first time that we can see here the Galaxy Watch appear, right? So directly connected devices, the Galaxy Watch. My home presents a very nice opportunity for you to connect your smart devices. So what happens if you press here on the watch? We need to download an add-on to help you get the most from your Galaxy Watch. Okay, so let's download it. If you have a way to test this on a non-Samsung phone, let me know. Galaxy Watch Active 2 status connected. You can even see the battery, right? And you can find my watch then, and a map is going to appear. If we press here or here, nothing happens. If we press here, we have also an edit. You can probably rename the watch, and then of course we can go to open Galaxy Wearable app. And right now the other thing that we want to test is the hand wash app. So how do we get the hand wash app? We have to go to discover, right? And then here guys, we need to go to the Galaxy store and then here search for hand wash. So you see it's a free app that is designed and developed by Samsung Electronics. So I'm just going to try to download this, install it on my watch. So I have installed the hand wash app, and when I do open my watch guys and I go here to check all my applications, when I go to the end of it, I can see this little icon with the hands. Welcome to hand wash, track hand washes and get a hand washing timer. Right now we have this wash now. This application also supports auto-detect water, so I'm just gonna turn it on for the sake of making fun and just of course seriously testing it. Alright, let's pretend right now that I wanna wash my hands. So I'm just simulating a wash hand, not sure how much seconds. Oops, my watch started. Does this really require us to have some water? You know, it was funny because this application wanted to have access to my microphone, so apparently you really need to be in the water. Just please notice that if you use automatic washes, it's gonna consume a bit more battery, so maybe you want to turn this off, right? Wash now. So let's see what happens here. Wash now. Oh, it's a timer. All right, I get it. You have a nice timer and vibration. Okay. So I'm just pretending to wash my hands for 20 seconds. The interesting part is that this really does not work if you're not underwater. Good job. Okay, cool. And you have a nice vibration. All right, what happens right now? Okay. Oh, one wash. Okay. wash now this week. Oh, it actually really counts your washes. This week, average 0.5 washes. All the things really are new. I think thanks to COVID, in brackets, we now get these things right. The interesting part is that even if you have out-of-date washes, if you're not underwater, it's not going to work. And I was also checking some of the permissions that this application uses is apparently microphone, so you probably need to hear the sound of running water, right? So it will not really work unless you're not under the water. And guys, I think this is pretty much what we get here in this new update. Again, some very nice and useful updates from Samsung. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys, and please stay safe until we catch up again in my next video. With that said, VST over and bye.